Hey, how you doing? Can I borrow you for a minute?
Yeah?
What are you listening to?
Ed Sheeran?
What's your favourite type of music?
Pop?
But if you was to choose any song in the world, what song would it be?
Shape of You?
Ed Sheeran, Shape
Yeah,
of You.
yeah,
Right, just
okay.
call this number. If I type this number
Yeah.
in, you'll hear something in a minute. It's like, well, I think we're quite similar actually. Crazy, what? It's my ringtone. Yeah, you've got my number anyway, so call me, yeah?
Okay.
Cool, nice to meet you. See ya.